Hi. So this is another question on balancing equations. And now because the scope of this videos is about balancing equations, okay? So that's why I'm not really particular about the states of these substances. By the way, something here is wrong. This equation is looking funny. It's not H2, is it? This is a displacement reaction. So the zinc should push out this hydrogen and hydrogen should come out as H2. Not H2O. Yes, now it's looking good. Right, so as I was saying about the states, yeah, I'm not really writing it here because I'm particular about just balancing it, okay? But if you have any further questions, probably you want to know the states. By the way, this one is solid. This is aqueous, this is going to be aqueous because it displaces the hydrogen and the zinc stays in the solution, and then the hydrogen can come out as a gas. All right, so that's the state. But just in case you have further questions about any part of this tutorial, you can buzz us on Instagram, okay? Copy_chemistry on Instagram. That's where you'll be able to find us, okay? And ask any further questions that you have. That's in case if I don't cover it in these videos. Okay, so let's balance this, shall we? So we have ZnCl2. That means that I would need the chlorine to be 2, right? So that's the first thing I saw here. And that would mean that 2 should stay there in order to balance the chlorine. Right, now this 2 that I've included here has made the hydrogen 2. So the next thing to balance is hydrogen. I'll look on the other side and voila, it's actually already balanced. So that's cool. Then I'll check my zinc. Okay, every other thing is looking good. That means I'm already done. So that's it. Enjoy.